Technology today is evolving faster than ever, evolving into something new, something different. The world in which automotive industry is gaining ground, making our daily lives faster and convenient, is powered by us. By Shri International. Located at 3 different locations in Rajkot, India, our facilities are spread across 30,000 square feet built-up area with large warehousing and storage facilities, inspection facilities and manufacturing facilities. Our strategic location gives us an access to a wide choice of casting foundries, forging units and skilled manpower. In the world of manufacturing, technology is the key to success. We are equipped with state-of-the-art machines to carry out our operations effectively. Our constant endeavor for excellence in quality and customer service has made us the preferred manufacturer and supplier of engine parts across the globe. Our extensive portfolio of more than 3,000 part numbers cater to various industries such as automotive industry, agricultural industry, construction and mining industry, and marine industry. Our wide range of catalog includes valve train components such as valve tappets, lifters, cam followers, valve guides, valve seat inserts, push rods, rocker shafts, rocker arms and various other cylinder head components, tractor parts for Massey Ferguson, Ford New Holland, Case IH, Zeta and Ursus, marine engine parts for auxiliary and generator engines used on board ships. At Shri International, we've put together a top-notch team of professionals with vast experience and knowledge, always aiming to better serve its customers by working towards superior quality products and services. We constantly strive to make our manufacturing processes more effective and efficient. All our products are manufactured on advanced machinery with digital control. Some of our products are manufactured to customer specifications and drawings. Each and every product undergoes strict quality checks at every stage in the production process. We are an ISO 9001-2015 TUV certified organization driven by total quality management principles. We believe that the quality of our products is our best marketing tool. We are well equipped with all the necessary instruments for quality control. We persistently seek to refine our manufacturing processes, supplier relations and employee competence to continue being the preferred supplier of our customers around the world. It's extremely important for us that our products reach our customers without any damage or climatic effects in a presentable packaging. Therefore, we take every little care to make sure that our products are packed in good quality material and marked with clear, distinct labels showcasing the details as per customer requirements. We use the best quality fumigated wooden cases and pallets to ensure safe and easy handling of our products. We have large storage facilities at our warehouse, which allows us to serve our customers promptly. We have made our mark across the globe as a reputed supplier of engine parts. We export to over 25 countries around the world, with our major markets being USA, UK, Italy, Germany, Mexico, and many more. Our vision is to offer the best products and services that can stand the test of times. We aim to create a company which is a delight to work with for customers, vendors, and employees. We strongly believe in our values, reliability, accountability, perseverance and diligence. We believe in quality. We believe in providing services and cooperation beyond contracts. We are Shri Ram International. We believe in customer first.